Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stu and the crew. My name's Rebecca and today we have a brand new video for y'all to show you what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We'll show you what's new and some restocked items from the DFW area. So let's go shopping and see what's new. I've organized all the pictures by section. We'll start with the apparel and accessories. We've got these ladies long sleeve t-shirts by the Briscoe brand. They go in sizes from extra small all the way up to a 3X. We've got lots of different colors. Some of these are 100% cotton. Some of them are a high polyester count. And they had a bunch of the long sleeve colors. You've got your primary colors, some softer tones, and there are like light blues, sage green, some darker burgundy. They even had some really bright pinks and reds. There's just a whole bunch of different ones available at the moment. They even had some ladies tank tops, again, extra small all the way up to 3X, and adult t-shirts, which are both for men and women. More socks. We've got the do or do not. There's no try. That was the Yoda. They had some Elvis Presley, Love Me Tender with the pink background, and Popeye with olive oil. Then for the arts and crafts this week, we've got some new ribbon. Now this is really pretty. It doesn't do it justice the picture. It's a glitter ribbon in a bunch of different colors. They get 9 feet. They're 1 inch wide, but they had a pink, there was a gold, and a silver. They're absolutely gorgeous. I wish the picture would show how well they shimmer. Then we've got the glass mosaics restocked. They have a bunch of different bags with different colors in them, like the gray, white, and black color scheme. They've got the different shades of blue in that bag. This one has the yellow, orange, and blue kind of mixed all throughout, and then the pastels where you get your yellow, pinks, purple, really pretty. Also, they have their extra large clothespins to craft with. These would be cute with a magnet on the back. You could actually use them to hold up a bunch of papers on like a magnetic board. We've got the mini gel pens, and then for the health and beauty, cosmetic, skincare, hair care, kind of pharmacy, personal care section, we've got these heat resistant mats. And these were kind of neat. They had them in a bunch of different colors. They're 100% silicone, so you can put your curling irons on there. We've got the straightening attachments by Conair. Now, some of the stores, these were ringing up $1.50. Some of the stores, they were ringing up $3. I don't know what the price is supposed to be since they were different for both stores. You'll have to check those out. There's lots of different Sophie brand hair accessories. I love this one with the large teardrop gemstone. This one has the barrette and a scrunchie, which is so cute. We've got the Sophie brand cheetah print barrette, or you can get the larger bow with the cheetah print as well. Those all have that traditional large clasp on the back. There's quite a few different bows that they have out at the moment by the Sophie brand. They had a huge collection. I just love the scrunchie with the lace border. I thought that was so pretty. And then this claw clip pretty much matches that one with that really cute little scalloped edge. We've got the flat matte black claw clip as well. Then there's the Princessa quality beauty tools. You get 5 of those. It even has the eyelash and brow comb in that set there. We've got the 3-pack of the sunscreen sponges, or you can use them as a beauty blender. And then these were new. They have them in a couple different colors. It's an under eye soothing massager by Skintimate. They had those in pink, purple, and this like kind of teal blue color. We've also got the Skintimate dual-sided facial brushes. It's a 2-in-1 cleanse and massage facial brush. They have those with the mirrored finish, and you could get like a rose gold. They had purple, pink, and blue. So there's a whole bunch of those out. They were over by like the shampoos and things. We've got the makeup removers. You can either get the 2-pack of the long or the 3-pack of the round, and we've got these exfoliating body brushes as well. Then I found these Hydra Beauty brightening makeup removers. You get 25 and they're individually wrapped. For the fun finds this week, we have the Sweethearts lip balm. They have blueberry, it says sweet pea, bestie with the conversation hearts. This one is the orange flavor. They also had the cherry, that one says love bug. We've got wink wink, which is the grape. And then there is banana, that one says cutie pie. They also had the flavored lip oil and all of those different flavors. They had some Peeps as well, which was the flavored oil. Then we've got these flexible flower lights, which were so fun. You can curve them to sit pretty much on any table. For the home decor this week, we've got these plastic flowers. They've had these out in years past, but they just brought them back. They're a nice large wall decor piece. There's also this wall decor and this one as well. It says always kiss me goodnight. And these both have a satin ribbon for the hanger on the back, which coordinates with the coloring for the front. These are a birch and vine metal sign. They have two of them. You get one with the black accents or just the solid gold. You've got your butterfly and the flowers, and they have the hangers already attached to the back. For the birch and vine, they also had this wall decor piece with the pressed flowers between the glass with the natural wood frame. Then for the home office, library, and teaching tree section, they have a bunch of different books. There's like this novel, it's called Speech Team. They had some books for younger kids like Grimm Falls Academy. This one says Don't Open the Box. They also had this one that says Don't Feed the Glub. And there was a set of 3 that were available for those books. By the Jot Corner office, we have these fun little wall decor pieces with the dry erase pen already attached. And they had that with the iridescent finish. There was a cat. There is an alien head. You can see the hanger is already attached there. And they have a butterfly as well. For the Housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, just a few restocked items like the paint edge trimmer with the extra replacement pads. You can get those in the 2-pack. They also had the stacking tilt bins by Toolbench Hardware, so you can keep all your different accessories. There are the metal drawer pulls. They have those in a couple different colors and a couple different designs. These tend to go pretty quickly, so they always get more in kind of at random times throughout the year. Then for the kitchen and pantry section, I found the Disney items. I found a few more new ones. They've got the 2-pack of the bag clips. There was Mickey and Minnie. They also had the SpongeBob SquarePants. Now these are different than the magnetic clips that they still do carry, but most of those are sold out at the moment. There was the Ninja Turtles. They also had Stitch and the Smurfs. There's the 2-pack. We got Papa Smurf. And then, of course, they have Winnie the Pooh with Winnie the Pooh and Piglet, also Garfield. So they had almost every character there. They also had these silicone ice pop makers. I only found Minnie Mouse, but I am on the hunt for the others. I really want to find them. Then they do have the 3-pack of the magnetic bag clips. I only found those in Minnie Mouse. And we've got some of the water bottles. We've got Ninja Turtles, the Smurfs. They had Garfield, and they also had SpongeBob. But these were the only characters I found as far as the water bottles go. Now for the party supplies, they had some new items like the noise makers for New Year's. They have like a little piece you hold and they spin around, make like a clicking noise. They had those in silver and gold. They had some more of the disco balls in pink, silver, and gold. You can get the necklaces as well with the mirror ball or disco ball on there. They had some tinsel garland for the new year and the foil backdrops. These are kind of like for the door frame. You open them up and then they just kind of fall down. You've got those cute little foil pieces you can hang through, or you could do them on a back wall. They had those in a couple different colors, the black and silver or the silver and white. They have the banner kit. You get 2 banners. It says cheers. And then you have your wine glasses or champagne glasses there with the gold glitter. The necklaces, you've got the mirror ball, and there's also some with the shot glasses. These are confetti makers. They look like a wine bottle. Then for the pets, they had some new toys like the Oxford dog toy that has the Kool-Aid or the jet puffed marshmallows. It's a nice sturdy material, so it's not so easy for the animals to tear through. And the Dr. Bell's creamy cat tube treats. You get 3 of those in the packet. For the seasonal items, we've got our Valentine's Day starting to make its way out. We have these extra large tote bags. The XOXO with the stripes is always one of my favorites. They brought back the hearts. They have some with a white background and some with a pink background. Also, the Cupid Sweetheart Cafe, that was from last year. The bag with all the bows on it, that one will not last long. It's very popular right now. They also have the XOXO, which was really cute with the black background this year. We've got the Jelly Roll ribbon in the Valentine's Day colors. There's lots of different colors of pink. We've got the pedicure sets with the hearts on them. And these look like the ones they had out last year, so I don't know if they're just a restock or if they have an overstock from last year that they just decided to put back out. There's also the glass jars. You get those in a couple different colors. They have the suede tie at the top and the metal heart-shaped little tag there with the flowers in the middle. And we've got the birch and vine heart with the half beads on the front. That also has the hanger all the way on the back. And these came out way before Christmas, so they've been out for a little while, but they do keep restocking them. We've also got the DIY craft pieces where you can paint your stepping stone. Has the paints, the little paintbrush, different sayings like "Be Mine," and we've got the flour sack towels, which are 15 by 25 inches. They have "I Love You," a latte. Lots of repeats. There's only one towel I've seen so far that is new, which I'll show here in just a minute. We've got the Love, the Hey Sugar with all the like sugar cookies and donuts on the front, and it's got some sprinkles there. They also had this one here with all the different hearts with different color schemes and designs. The new one was the "I Love You Cherry Much" with the cherries and the bow. We've also got the bouquet bags, which are so great, and these little plush characters like the milk. There's cupcakes, the latte, little pieces of cake and donuts. They have their fun little characters like koala bears. There's some dogs, the axolotls. Those are really cute. They have like hearts on their bellies, and on the back they'll have like a heart emblem. So those are super cute. They even had the one that looks like a latte with like the heart drawn in the top there, the boba tea. These I believe are $1.50. So some of them are marked $1.25. That's why I think some of them are overstocks from last year that they're putting out, but you'll have to check the prices because a lot of them have changed this year. They've got the glitter signs that say things like "Happy Valentine's Day," "Love You More," hugs and kisses, and then there's the tabletop decor with the stacked books with different sayings on them. We've also got the socks, which are so cute. There's a ladies' crew socks. They have the ones with the bows and the cherries, which are super cute. I love that checkerboard pattern one as well. They also have for Valentine's Day gifts, they have these extra large pull bows. So these are huge. I actually purchased the red ones and I opened one so you guys can see how large it is compared to a traditional like Christmas bow. They're huge. They're so great. I just love them so much. And they were $1.25. They've got a bunch of their tabletop decor, some restocks from last year as well. Actually, from the last few years, we've seen all of these before. I didn't really recall seeing any new ones so far this year, but there's some great ones that they brought back. So it's always fun to see the favorites come back. They have some with the gnomes on them. I know everyone's kind of past the gnomes already, but they do have those in a couple different designs here. We've got the framed art that they brought back that has some of the 3D effects like the O's or the hearts are kind of raised up like a mylar balloon in the background. They're real cute. I love the "Be My Valentine" with the gold hearts. I thought that was pretty. There's the love potion bottles. They're about an inch thick. They're a tabletop decor sign with some metal accents and bows. They even had the mason jars. It says "All you need is love," and "Love is sweet." They also have the motion detecting characters like the stacked balloons and the teddy bear holding the heart. Those were also out last year. These little guys here, they're like weighted at the bottom. They had these out last year as well. They're about 10 inches tall, so they're quite large for the $1.50. They have like a love bug, a puppy. There's a mushroom. And then look how cute these little glitter trees are. They have with the hearts at the top. Then for the toys and games, we've got these create your own vinyl craft toys. They are $1.75. We've got the Ninja Turtles, Moana. There is Spider-Man. They also have Minnie Mouse. There is Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, and there's Minecraft. These come with 3 markers that are up inside of the vinyl. You just have to pull those out so you can decorate them. They've got a bunch of their kickballs in and a whole bunch of different colors like red, green, white, and blue. Then they have their Disney yo-yos. What I like about the yo-yos is they're a nice heavy-duty yo-yo. They're not like those cheaper ones they usually carry, so I kind of really like these ones. They're have some weight to them. So I feel like they'd work better for the kids. They have really cute pictures in the middle as well, like the Disney characters, which is always fun. And those, of course, are $1.75. Then for the $3 and up, which is anything that's more than like the $1.50 price point, we've got some different candies for Valentine's Day. They've got the Ferrero Rocher, the Ghirardelli chocolates. There's the Heart Lava Cake. They have these fun candles. These are the larger candles. They're about 14 ounces. There's red amber, passion fruit, the vanilla cashmere, and the lilac bloom, which is my favorite. They also have their large pillows. Those prices are wrong. They are $7 that I saw on the tag down at the bottom. So some of these, like I said, they haven't got the right prices on them just yet. So make sure you guys are checking. You can download the app, the Dollar Tree app, and you can actually use the barcode scanner throughout the store. If you don't know what the price is of something, you can check before you get to the register, which should help you out a lot if there's any discrepancies there. They've got their tabletop signs, lots of repeats from last year as we see. Really didn't see anything new as far as the plus section goes just yet. They did bring back some goodies. I always love these palette signs. I think they're so cute with the sweater hearts on the outside. I actually think these would be really easy to recreate, to make your own, a little bit cheaper since the prices have increased. They've got their extra large gnomes in the Valentine's Day decor with their little Valentine hearts. And again, these are not $5, even though the price is saying that on the tag. I guess I just haven't covered them up yet. They have their throw blankets, some of the little critters that sit on the shelf, some framed art, the tabletop decor like the camper. That one's actually metal. And then they have their two-tiered trays. They are 10 inches by 14 inches. They've got the two different hearts, and it's got the heart topper there. Very easy to put together. They just screw together in about 3 minutes. You can get the whole thing put together. They have a bunch of their heartstring lights with the glitter on the outside, and those are in the pink and the red. They had some really light pink, dark pink, and then the red. They do need batteries, so make sure you check out the packaging to see what you'll need to make sure you have everything so you can turn those on. They're so cute. I love these trays. They brought these back as well this year. I thought these were one of my favorites last year. They have the Love Lives here, the Be Mine. So there's light pink, there's the red that says love, and then there's the white one. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I missed you guys. I took the week off for Christmas. I could spend it with my family. I hope you all had a lovely holiday with your families. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like, and share. You can hype this video down below. There's this extra new button they put in, and leave a comment down below. Let me know about your holiday. Did you enjoy your time, and did you get everything you wanted? I hope you did. Don't forget, you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much. I hope you all have a lovely new year. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.